Hello everyone, in today's video I will tell you how you can make a video call in your device Samsung Galaxy A04, A04s and A04e. So in this devices, if you want to make a video call or if you want to do a video call, it's very easy and I will tell you how you can do it in the few steps. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can make a video call in your device. Let's watch the video.